So today in this video, we are going to learn about using conditions in Excel. To evaluate conditions and to get values based on that, we use if function in Excel. Let's look at the function in detail. So before proceeding, let's look at the objectives of this video. So here today we are going to learn about if function of Microsoft Excel, and we will see how to use that function in Excel. Let's quickly have a look about who should attend this video. A person needs to have some basic understanding of using formulas and functions in Excel. So what if function does is it evaluates the condition and gets some values based on the true and false outcomes of the condition. If we look at the definition of it, the definition says the Microsoft Excel if function returns one value if a specified condition evaluates to true, or another value if it evaluates to false. This is something important. Let's learn that definition. So it says Microsoft Excel if function returns one value if a specified condition evaluates to true, or another value if the condition evaluates to false. Let us look at the description in a diagrammatic form. So it says, so what we do in Excel if function is basically we will evaluate a condition here, and according to Excel, any condition can have only two outcomes. Either the condition will be true or the condition will be false. What we do is we give a value that should happen if the condition is true here, and what should happen if the condition is not true. That means the otherwise part of it is given as the third parameter of the function. To look at the syntax of if function, so it says the syntax is we'll write it as is equal to if. In if, the first thing we'll give is the condition. We'll put a comma and we'll say what should happen if the value is true. We'll put a comma, and third thing we will give is what should happen if the value is false. So guys, it is very important to learn this syntax before using if function. So let us commit this to our memory. Let me repeat again. The syntax says is equal to if, in the brackets, first thing will be the condition, comma, value if true, comma, value if false. Let us look at how to use this function in Excel. I have a small example created here. I have been provided with some employee data with their employee IDs, their names given to me, their departments given to me, their employment status given to me, hire date given to me, and the total years that they have spent in the organization till now. Let us say the company has to give some bonus to the employees based on the years they have spent in the organization. Probably the condition is whomsoever has spent more than 15 years in the organization will get 5,000 rupees as a bonus amount. Otherwise, that means people less than 15 years get 2,000 rupees as the bonus amount. So my condition comes out to be, if the years spent is more than 15, then 5,000 rupees, otherwise 2,000. To use that in Excel, what I'll do is, I'll start with the function as is equal to, I will write if as any other function. The moment this function is highlighted in the drop down, I can press tab on the keyboard to get the brackets here. And the moment we press tab key, we will see the syntax of the function at the bottom highlighted. And this is same as we have just learned the syntax. The first thing says logical test, that is our condition. Our condition is if the years spent is more than 15. So what I'll do to put condition is, I'll select the first cell of years, that is F2. Condition says if that is more than 15. So I'll say if this is greater than 15, comma, what should happen if that is true? 5,000 rupees should be given. Otherwise, to put the otherwise things, I'll put comma again, and I'll say if not, then 2,000 rupees should be given. That's it. We will close the bracket and press enter key. So can we notice, since the years is less than 15, we are getting bonus as 2,000 rupees. If we drag this function at the bottom, we'll get bonus amount for everyone. And we can see wherever the years of experience is more than 15, we get bonus as 5,000. And wherever it is less than 15, we get bonus as 2,000. So that is how we use if function in Excel. To summarize, I can say if function helps us to evaluate conditions in Excel, like we just saw, where based on the years of experience, we were giving the bonus. The syntax of using if function is equal to if. In the bracket, we will start with the logical test, comma, value if true, comma, value if false.